In this tutorial, we're going to learn how, after rendering our work in rendering software, we can use artificial intelligence to enhance its quality and make it look completely natural. To accomplish this, I simply need to utilize an AI, but perhaps you might not currently possess an AI account. You can legitimately use your desired AI completely free of charge and obtain the specific images you truly desire from it. So how can I do this? There is a website called lmarena.ai. This site helps you by creating a competition between different AIs, and based on the points it gets from you for them, provides you with certain features. Basically, here it's as if you're making two AIs battle each other so they can compete for you. So here, I'm going to use this to make a render look more natural. How? I come here to the site, and after logging in, I click on this Generate Image button. I upload my desired image from here. This is the image I had already selected. I upload it here, and then all you have to do is click this button and choose the AI models you want to see compete against each other. Here I select Seedream, click Add Model, and then for example I select Ven again. These two, well, I had previously taken a prompt from ChatGPT, and I'm going to give this prompt here as well, which basically tells it to make this image completely realistic for me. So I paste it here and send it to both AIs to see what results they deliver to us. We have to wait for about a minute. Well, as you can see, after 1 minute, we got two renders. The one on the left is from Seedream, and the one on the right is from Wen. If I open Wen, it's a bit artificial. Look at the grass, it has an unnatural color. But it seems that Seedream has managed to create a much more natural look, including reflections, refractions, and other details that are needed here. You can fully download it and use it legally. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as a new tutorial is released. See you in the next tutorials.